educational video. Geo-optics are known as ray optics, in which it represents light propagation. At some point, ray geometric optics is an approximation that is useful under some conditions for approximating the paths along with light propagates, in which I'll be discussing today the law of reflection and refraction. The first law is the reflection, which tells that the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. The angles are determined at that point where the rays hits the surface perpendicular to the surface. Let's try this as an example. So we have a paper and a flashlight. It can be seen in many distinct angles when a sheet of paper is illuminated with many parallel incident rays, since its surface is rough and the light diffuses. Another example, when we see ourselves in a mirror, it appears that our image is actually behind the mirror. It is because that our image is exactly the same distance behind the mirror as we stand away from the mirror. If it happens that the mirror is located on the wall of the room, it results from the images are seen to be in the behind of the mirror, which can make the room seem bigger. Although these images are not fragmenting of our imaginations. Another law that talks about geometric optics is the law of refraction. The law of refraction is the changing of a light ray's direction, loosely called bending, when it passes through a vibration in matter. An example of which is looking at a fish tank. We can see that the same fish at three different contexts of location. As it moves from water to air, light changes direction. In this case, fish seems to be in two different places because the light reaches the observer of two different paths. The reason behind this optical phenomena and the binding of light is due to refraction. Now we already understand the different points of the law of reflection and refraction. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!